Hello, welcome to Smart Technical and Engineering. Today, we will present the 24 HVAC safety devices with names and pictures. So please continue to watch until the end of the video. Thanks. High pressure switch. Low pressure switch. Freeze protection thermostat. Airflow switch. High temperature limit switch. Oil separator. Low oil pressure switch. Oil level switch. Water flow switch. Pressure relief valve. Differential pressure switch. Crankcase heater. Compressor motor high temperature protector. Overload protector. Smoke detector. Refrigerant leak detector. Carbon monoxide detector. Fire damper. Smoke damper. Fire and smoke damper. Circuit breaker. Overload relay. Phase reversal relay. Single phase preventer. Thanks for watching. Please like, follow, and subscribe to our Smart Technical and Engineering for more about HVAC technical and engineering. See you in the next video.